In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet aficionado or just getting started, following this guide will make it simple to access Google Sheets right from your desktop. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Drive into the search bar, or directly input the web address if you have it handy. Clicking the link will take you to your Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to use your Google account credentials to log in. Next, open a new browser tab while keeping Google Drive open. This will be useful for quick navigation as we set things up. Head over to the address bar of your new tab and enter the URL https://docs.google.com/spreadsheets. This step directly brings you to Google Sheets. Once you've typed in the URL, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action promptly loads up the Google Sheets page on your screen, showcasing any spreadsheets you've recently worked on or prompting you to create something new. From here, locate the Customize and Control Google Chrome button, often depicted as 3 vertical dots situated at the top right corner of your browser. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this list, select the one that reads Cast, Save, and Share. Continue scrolling down and look for the option that says Create Shortcut. Selecting this prompts a small dialog box to appear, asking whether you'd like to create a shortcut for Google Sheets. With this dialog box open, click on the Create button. This will place a convenient Google Sheets shortcut right on your desktop, an easy and quick way to access your spreadsheets without having to navigate through numerous tabs. Now that the shortcut is created, go ahead and double-click it. This simple action verifies our previous steps, ensuring Google Sheets opens smoothly from the desktop shortcut. You should now be greeted with the main Google Sheets page. In this main menu, find and click on the option labeled Sheets. This is your portal to beginning new projects or continuing work on existing ones in Google Sheets format. After selecting Sheets, your eyes should land on a conspicuous option to create a new sheet, the blank spreadsheet. Click on Blank Spreadsheet to open a new fresh spreadsheet where you can input data, perform calculations, or structure your projects as needed. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Google Sheets onto your Windows 11 desktop, ensuring you can easily and quickly dive into your spreadsheet tasks whenever the need arises. It's a straightforward method that merges the power of Google's suite with the convenience of direct desktop access. Enjoy all the benefits of having Google Sheets just a click away.